In this video we're going to show you how to put a Toyota Corolla 2020 to 2025 model into a maintenance mode, which means the engine will keep on running and not stop on the hybrid system. So what you need to do is press your ignition on, so 2 presses, and then it will say obviously not ready to drive, and push your brake pedal to start. And then if you want to pause it on here, you can read the instructions. It's basically put your ignition on, put your gear select lever into park, press the accelerator twice, then into neutral, accelerator twice, back into park, accelerator twice, and then it will go into maintenance mode. So we're in park. If we press the accelerator twice, foot on the brake, back to neutral, accelerator twice, foot on the brake, back to park, accelerator twice, and you will see CDY-2E code come up onto the dash, and that means you're in maintenance mode. So then you can put your foot on the brake and start the car, and then the engine will run consistently until you turn it off, and that's how you get into maintenance mode. If this video has helped you, if you've been struggling to get into maintenance mode, drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us keep more videos like this coming. See you on the next one.